The 2024 BMW i5 showcases solid performance with its rear motor, rear drive 40, and the dual motor, all-wheel drive M60 xDrive. The i5 features BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system and a tech-forward cabin. It charges quickly with a 215 kilowatt best speed and performs well, with the M60 hitting 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Despite impressive specs, the i5 faced mixed reviews. The M60 variant was criticized for being entertaining enough but fairly one-note, said features editor Christian Seabaugh. Deputy editor Alexander Stoklosa noted its stupid power, but felt it was too quick for its doughy suspension setup. The infotainment system and interior design also received varied opinions, with some editors finding them complex and disjointed. They also performed well in our performance testing. With a 3.4 second 0-60 time, the 593 HP i5 M60 was the second quickest model we tested at this year's Car of the Year, behind the Porsche Taycan 3.2. Meanwhile, the 335 HP eDrive 40 clocked a 5.1 second number. Not bad for a couple of 5,000-ish pound sedans. The i5 didn't generate the same excitement as its predecessors, partly due to its polarizing M60 variant and complex infotainment. With competitors like the Mercedes EQE and Genesis electrified G80 offering strong alternatives, the i5 struggled to stand out. While the iDrive 40 offers a cohesive package, the M60's pricing and performance left some judges underwhelmed. The i5's interior also was subject to differing viewpoints, with some expressing a sense of discombobulation and lack of theme to its varied materials, choices, and others calling it handsome and luxurious in its approach. With such a divergent mindset about what the i5 represents as a model, and with other competitors such as the Mercedes EQE sedan and Genesis electrified G80 offering impressive alternatives, perhaps it wasn't too much of a surprise that this I didn't fly as high as its predecessors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.